Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Wei and I hope you're gonna like this video. Any suggestions, feedback are always welcome. Just comment down below. We're going to talk about getting started on Canva, a beginner's guide. Let's start with Canva Interface. Para dun sa mga hindi pa masyadong familiar with Canva, but first things first, you should download the Canva application on Google Play Store, or for desktop, search Canva on Google or Microsoft Edge, then click download on desktop. Then when you open the application, it will lead you to their home page. Pero para saan nga ba si Canva? You can use Canva to create invitation, learning materials, resume, video, infographics, online portfolio, simple websites, at marami pang iba. Ano nga ba yung kagandahan dito kay Canva? Let's say that Canva was a friendly user kasi pinadali niya lahat when it comes to this graphic design. Dito kay Canva, kahit wala kang alam, wala kang idea, while looking and roaming around to their application, just little by little, magkaka-idea ka what you like to create, to do, or to happen on your project. Why and how it will happen? Simple lang. They have categories to choose from and they have hundreds of templates to customize. They have elements, thousands of elements that you can enjoy, and they also have hundreds of fonts that suits to your projects. Let me give you a simple tip. Wag kang matatakot na magkamali. In short, practice makes perfect. Even though wala nang perfect. Ayan, isa na naman cheesy tip from me, truly.
Wow!
Paano po pag natapos yung ginagawa ko pero hindi ko siya na-save? And then, bigla ko siyang na-close. Don't worry. Don't panic. Chill. Hindi yan kagaya ng ex mo na bigla ka na lang umiyak. Charot. Sa Canva, ay naka-auto-save siya. So, whenever, wherever, however, na bigla mo siyang ma-close at hindi mo natapos o matatapos, andyan pa rin yan. Kagaya ng jowa mong loya. Lagi kang hinihintay. Uy! So, bago pa tayo magkasakitan, don't forget to share, like, and follow, or subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell button to be keep updated. Last na tanong, paano po kami mag-uumpisa sa aming project? To get started, you need to do is to sign up using your Gmail account. Just follow the instruction ni Canva and you will be ready to create a design. Watch out for my next video coming up because we're gonna talk about the step-by-step guide on how to create account on Canva.